Hey guys, this is original Celica GT, produced in 1970. So I just had a chat to this guy. This guy spent 7,000 Australian dollars to re-chrome this front bumper, and also he told me the details that he was thinking. He got a part number for every nut and bolt of this car, and each number is as per the manual. So he restored every nut and bolt that's zinc plated, so it's all original to the original spec. So he's getting in touch with the Toyota Museum in Japan to get this car into the factory condition. So every nut and bolt has been re-chromed or re-zinced and as per the original spec. So he spent $15,000 for the front and rear bumper re-chrome. So this is the most original Celica GT I have ever seen. Look at this masterpiece. So he had the car for 4 years. So that's the guy talking to my mate. Even these tires he imported from Japan, the original period correct tires. So he had to wait 9 months to get these tires back into Australia. Look at this. So every nut and bolt and even the center caps are original. The original fender mirrors. You can't find a equal or similar example to this. This is to the next level. So I'm assuming spending $15,000 for bumper chroming, this car cost at least over $50,000 for a regular Celica GT. How amazing is it? Very nice.